Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the best faculties for NEET PG in India, and in later part of the video we will also compare Mero and PrepLadder. These are two leading online platforms for preparation very popular nowadays. Our list of best faculty from every subject is based on: first, survey on 100 plus students from final year, interns and those who have cleared NEET PG 2020 with good ranks. Second, popularity of the teacher. Third, availability of online resource of that teacher. Fourth, effective and high yielding notes which are easy to revise. Starting from anatomy, the best ever faculty in India is Dr. Ashwani Kumar sir from E-Gurukul. His teaching with the help of lots of line diagrams is very easy to understand. Physiology. The best faculty of this subject is Dr. Krishna Kumar sir from Mero. He has taught the subject very beautifully. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is taught in very concise and sweet way by Dr. Smiley ma'am from PrepLadder with the help of lots of mnemonics. Pathology. This subject is well covered by Dr. Sparsh Gupta sir from PrepLadder. Concepts given by sir help the students in very great way. Pharmacology. Pharmacology is best covered by Dr. Govind Rai Garg sir from PrepLadder. He is very famous and senior faculty. Forensic medicine. This subject is beautifully described by Dr. J. Magendran sir from PrepLadder. Microbiology. This subject is made easy by Dr. Sonu Pawar sir from PrepLadder. He is very well known faculty. ENT. This subject is very beautifully covered by Dr. Manisha Buddhiraja ma'am from Mero. You will fall in love with ENT. Ma'am has made this subject very easy. Ophthalmology. This subject is covered age to age by Dr. Raja Ratna ma'am from Mero. PSM. This is very long and boring subject, very well covered by Dr. Vivek Jain sir from PrepLadder. You will never say this subject again boring. Sir has concised the subject in very great way, which is easy to understand and very easy to revise. Surgery. This subject is covered very short and sweetly by Dr. Rohan Khandelwal sir from Mero. Medicine. The vast medicine is covered in very concise and understandable way by Dr. Deepak Marwa sir from PrepLadder. He is teacher and author of many books not only famous in India but the other regions of world too. Sir has great experience. His notes and concepts are very high yielding. Ops and Gynae. Guys, no one can teach Ops and Gynae better than the Dr. Sakshi Arora ma'am from Mero. She explained the things like a clear crystal. You will enjoy the subject. Pediatrics. Here the choice is very tough between Dr. Singaram sir and Dr. Minakshi Botra ma'am. If you want to learn detailed concepts, you can go with Dr. Singaram sir from Mero. And if you have memorizing problem, as many of us have with this subject, then go with Dr. Minakshi Botra ma'am from PrepLadder. She has taught the subject with the help of lots of mnemonics. Orthopedics. This subject is very well taught by Dr. Abbas Ali sir from Mero. Sir is famous by the name of bone teacher. Dermatology. This subject is covered by Dr. Manish Soni sir from PrepLadder. He has made the subject very clear cut with lots of images which helps in easy understanding. Anesthesia. Subject is beautifully taught by Dr. Swati Singh ma'am from PrepLadder. She has also covered the emergency medicine section. Radiology. This subject is best covered by Dr. Mayur Kulkarni sir from Mero with the help of lots of animated videos. Psychiatry. The subject is best explained by Dr. Praveen Tripathi sir from PrepLadder. Explanations and examples given by sir helps a lot to retain the concepts. Now moving on second part of the video, that is comparison between Mero and PrepLadder. For comparison, we have all the subject teachers from these two apps except anatomy. So here we are taking next best teacher of anatomy, Dr. Rajesh Koshal sir from PrepLadder. Now let's see our best teacher list once again in perspective of these two apps. On adding, MCQs from these subjects in Mero covers approx 125 from top faculty and PrepLadder contains approx 185 MCQs from top faculty. Now let's move on the features of these apps. Mero has more detailed and conceptual videos, whereas PrepLadder has videos as required and concise. QBank of Mero has 17,000 plus MCQs, whereas PrepLadder's recently updated QBank 2.0 has approx 23,000 plus MCQs of all patterns, including more number of integrated clinical questions. Mero currently does not have rapid revision. They have provided section with coming soon message on it from last 8 months, whereas PrepLadder have recently updated rapid revision of 170 hours and its earlier version gained a huge success last year. Mero currently does not have separate previous year paper discussion videos. It has same message of coming soon from last 8 months. Whereas PrepLadder has separate previous year exam paper video discussion of all exams like NEET PG, AIMS, PGI, FMGE, etc., which are power booster before few days of exams. Custom module option is present in both. Grant tests are available in both. In Mero, videos are only in English language, whereas in PrepLadder there is separately recorded videos in both Hindi and English language. In Mero, there is additional feature of intern mode, which is arrangement of same content in different way. Here Mero has included only the most important videos and other videos are replaced by QBank. Guys, we have tried to clear many things. Hope you have liked it. Thank you everyone.